Here we're showing you the Staebel Patient Transfer device. It's a new addition to the Staebel range and something the market's been calling out to us for a long time. We've completely simplified the task of transferring a resident or patient from one seat to another area of the home or wherever we may be situated. Typically when we've done a transfer in the past, we're bringing somebody to a standing position, perhaps on a platform where we may even be using multiple products. Quite typically we would have used a belt or something like that to stabilise our resident or patient. With the Staebel Patient Transfer device, it's just one product on its own, simple to use, no additional parts required, very safe and very sturdy with a 150 kilogram safe working load. Let me tell you a bit about the product and how it works. We have a device with a paddle activated seat. So when we're approaching our resident or our patient, we may approach the seat that they're using, okay? We need to adjust the width of the base to suit the seat. Now this is something that's really, really popular about this product, is the fact that the gate on the base is so broad. There's not many chairs out there in the market that this product will not fit around and work with. So simply by using this lever here, I can maintain eye contact with my resident, keep talking to them, keep the communication going, ready for the transfer, but I can adjust the Staebel Patient Transfer device to suit the chair that I'm transferring from. So I've just adjusted this to the broadest position. It's now going to fit comfortably around the seat. Once you've done that, you locate the brakes, but the point of this is we want to really emphasize on the fact that we must keep eye contact with our patient. We must keep them confident because they're about to use this device to mobilize to their feet and use the product to be transferred to another seat or another room maybe. The purpose of the product is to simplify transfer, and it's to eliminate the use of perhaps 2, 3 or 4 other pieces of equipment. So for short transfers within the building, we may want to use this instead of a wheelchair or some form of platform. We have a nice anti-slip surface to the foot. We have brakes to the rear caster. We have our paddle activated seat, and we have a padded knee rest here. Constructed from steel, powder coated steel, is nice and robust, so there's no distortion in the product when we're using it with a heavier client, resident or patient. The handlebar here has an anti-slip grippy surface to it, so when our patient is lifting, they've got a nice secure grip. They use this to lift themselves to their feet. Once they're in a standing position, we simply maintain eye contact and close the paddles behind them, and they can then rest on the seat paddles. We'll demonstrate that for you shortly. We're going to demonstrate it for you showing different pieces of equipment, different items of furniture. We'll show you how the Staebel Patient Transfer device is used.